Copy to and change author option are very important. Suppose if you have multiple sections in your school, A, B, C, and D. If the section A teacher makes the paper and the same paper has to be conducted in section B, section C, and section D, then no need to upload the same paper again. You can copy the same paper either to yourself or to the other teacher who is teaching in that section, and the same paper will be copied to that teacher. Now this teacher just have to click on the edit option and select the required classroom as per their requirement. Now this teacher can easily conduct the paper in his or her class. Now let's see change author option. In change author option, what happens? Suppose there is a paper of science in which there are three sections: physics, chemistry, and biology, which is taken care by three different teachers. So once a teacher makes the format, biology teacher will add the biology question, chemistry teacher will add the chemistry question, and physics teacher will add the physics question. So first, the biology teacher will add the biology question, then she will change author, suppose to the chemistry teacher. Teacher 1 is the chemistry teacher. Now this paper will start reflecting in the chemistry teacher account. Once the chemistry teacher does the paper and she transfer the paper to the physics teacher, now this paper will reflect in the physics teacher account and remove from the chemistry teacher account. So in this way, the three teachers can collaborate one by one. Same thing can be done while evaluating the answer sheets. First, the chemistry teacher checks the chemistry part, transfers the paper to the biology teacher checks the biology part, assign marks to the respective questions, send the paper to the physics teacher will do their corresponding part, assign the marks for every question, then the totaling is done automatically by the system. So copy to option is used to make multiple copies of the paper. Change author option is used to collaborate between the teachers.